But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all of these things will be provided for you. Matthew 6, verse 33.
Hey guys, I'm back with another vlog. I'm about to head to church right now. It is currently 12:57, so I'm about to head out to church. And then I'm thinking about going to this market that I went to the other day with my friend. So yeah, let's see where today takes us. But yeah, right now I'm about to head to church. So alright, oh, I haven't shown y'all. Okay, hold on, because I did not show y'all my new shoes that I got. Hold on. The lighting is this way, but these are my new shoes. Ooh, let me move that out the way. Okay. Yes. These are my new shoes. They're so comfortable. I'm about to head out. I'll see y'all when I get to church. Y'all like this ponytail? I did something new. Just did something new. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Oh yeah. Let me go. So I'm not late. Ooh. Okay. Hey guys, so I just got out of church. It was really good. I'm gonna read y'all my notes from church just to kind of, I just want to share them with y'all, what I learned and what I kind of wrote down. And then what am I doing? Oh, I'm gonna go to this Japanese market because I want to buy some snacks so that I could do a snack video for y'all. So I'm gonna head there. But let me read y'all my notes. So we were reading from, I got there a little late, so I missed the title of the sermon, but we were reading from Romans 12, and he was talking about grace. Like, that was the main thing we talked about. And so I wrote down grace's unmerited favor. And we also talked a lot about like just your purpose and the gifts that God has graced you with. So I wrote down, you are not here to take up space. You have a function and a purpose. Idleness is a doorway to depression. That one really stuck out to me because this week I was feeling like really sad. And I couldn't like explain why. And I feel like a part of that was because I was being very idle this week. Or just in general with like the things that I want to do. But that's a whole nother story. Anyway, idleness is a doorway to depression. We talked about the kind of people that you need in your life. So people who have been where you've been, so people who are ahead of you, people who you aspire to like be where they're at, where they're the seasons they're in, the way that they're walking. You need people who are going to walk with you, who are going to be with you in it. And then also people who people who could look up to you. He also said to ask the Lord, how has he graced me? I wrote down, your promotion is in your grace. You got to put in the work with your gift, which I think was so key for me. God is looking for excellence, not just effort when it comes to your gift. Grace and discipline, you need both of them. You need them together. This one stood out to me too. Stop wavering back and forth. Stand in the boldness of who God made you to be. We also talked about being in the right environment. So I wrote down, you have to be in the right environment. Like, what are you surrounded by? Who are you surrounded by? All of those things. Do not make decisions based on money, but make them based on your gift and your grace to be able to do it. Your grace can work anywhere, but doesn't mean you should take it everywhere. And then he gave us a homework assignment, so I'm really going to like lean into this week. But he said, find 5 people who know you, and ask them, what do you think my best gift or personality trait is? The second piece to it was to think about how are you using that grace in your life, personally, professionally, and relationally? And then third, what type of environments do you need to be in to strengthen, cultivate, or expose your gift in these areas? So I felt that this was really for me. I really need to hear all of that. Yeah. So I'm about to drive to this market. I kind of really want some Mexican food, y'all. We'll see. I might stop to get some, but I'm gonna go so that I can get on the road and start recording. Not recording, but getting on the road so that I can record this video for y'all. So I will see y'all once I get there. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I made it. Let me see if y'all can see the sign from there. I made it despite the little bit of traffic that there was, but it's Marufuji Japanese market. So I'm about to go in there. I'm gonna pick maybe between like 5 to 7 things to try, and then we'll see, and maybe I'll get a matcha. So let's stay tuned and let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm walking in now. This is very hot out here. I'm about to walk in. Okay, y'all, so I'm in here. I'm in the ramen section right now. Let me show y'all. They're in this ramen. But yeah, I'm in the ramen section. I'm gonna get me some ramen. Or whatever you feel like. I'm gonna show y'all which one I get. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so these are the 2 ramen I got. I've had that one before. I've had this one, but this one is new, so we're gonna try it. Alright, y'all, I'm done shopping. I got all the things. I also got this that I'm gonna eat in the car. I got these rice balls. Hey y'all, so just got back in the car. So I got 2 rice balls. I got So I got 2 of them. The first one I got is a salmon one, and then the second one I got was a kimchi. So we're gonna taste test and see. I'm gonna do the kimchi one first. So hold on. Let me yeah, I was talking the whole time and was not recording, but I just took it out. This is the kimchi one. I just wrapped the seaweed around it, so this is what it look like. Yeah. So I'm about to, I bought some sriracha while I was in there. So I'm about to use that. Give me 1 second. We just about to make this like a car mukbang. Alright, taking my sriracha. Putting it on there. Alright, here we go, y'all. That is good. That is really good. Oh, I should have got 2 of these. Yeah, that is good. And the sriracha just add a little razzle dazzle. Y'all see? I'm just eating it down. That's so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. That's so good. Oh my god, that's so good. Spicy though. And some water. Oh my god, y'all. That's so good. So good. Woo! Hot. Alright. Let's try the salmon one. I'm gonna make sure. Woo! That's spicy. I'll make sure I'm recording. So, opening it up. And then it's like, whoo, that's spicy, y'all. This little ball. Okay. I had to cut in it to make sure it's cooked. But okay, put that to the side. Then the seaweed comes separately. So I take the little triangle and I put it in the seaweed, and then you're just supposed to wrap the seaweed around it. Y'all, that kimchi one, I'm really tempted to go back in there and go get a kimchi one, but I won't, because that one was so good. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I feel like there's a proper way you're supposed to do this, and I should read the directions, but this is what we got, y'all. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. So then, take my sriracha. Cheers. Oh, not the paper sticking to me. Okay. Hold on. The kimchi one to me has more flavor. This is just like plain cooked salmon. It's so good, huh? It's good, but I think the kimchi one is better. So if I had to rate both of them, the kimchi's a 10. I'm sorry, it's a 10 for me. Yeah, I just spilled sriracha on my pants. But no, the kimchi's a 10 for me. The salmon, I give it a 7. It's just lacking flavor, and I think the sriracha is really holding it together. But the kimchi is that girl. That girl alive, as the girls like to say. Y'all, that's so good. Oh my gosh. Should I go back in to get a kimchi one? I don't know. That was very big and greedy. Yeah, the kimchi is that girl, hands down, period. It's more flavor, which it is fermented. So I understand. The salmon is just like... oh, that's a sriracha. The salmon is just very plain. Was water hot? The salmon is very plain. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to go. Be on my way home. Because I ain't spilling stuff on me. I don't even think I have a napkin in here. Look at that, I do. I need to go to Chick-fil-A so I can get some napkins. I don't need that big of a napkin for that, but ew, that looks nasty. Okay, I'm going home. But yeah, that's so good. I'm so excited to try these snacks. Yeah, I'm very tempted to go back in there and get another kimchi. I am. I really am tempted. I really am tempted to go back in there, y'all. But I probably shouldn't. But yes, I will see y'all later.
My love, we are all there is. When I'm with you, my love, nothing compares to this. When I'm with you, my love, we are all there